Racer 86 is on the move. Police car drives around town too. Monkey, owl, fox, and raccoon are watching the cars play. Vroom, vroom! Into the middle, the cars all drive. The animals see a big surprise. The cars are stuck upside down. The animals want to help them now. The cars are stuck upside down. How can the animals help them out? The animals find something to nudge their friends. It doesn't turn them over, so they try again. They built a rod and picked it up. They poke the cars, but the cars stay stuck. The cars are stuck upside down. Wheels in the sky and roofs on the ground. The cars are stuck upside down. How can the animals help them out? Raccoon now knows what to do. He starts to build and the others help him too. They built a seesaw to flip their friends. It works and the cars can drive again. The cars are not stuck upside down. Roofs in the sky and wheels on the ground. The cars are not stuck upside down, thanks to the animals that help them out. The smiling bus is coming to pick up Will today. Bus is taking Will to school so Will can learn and play. Chicken is waiting for the bus. Chicken climbs inside. Chicken fits in next to Will and bus begins to drive. Whale and chicken ride the bus, they're on their way to school. Cow is waiting for the bus, raccoon and monkey too. The Bloks cannot fit inside the bus. What can the animals do? The animals will have to build some more space on the bus. Whale has got a good idea, his friends can use these blocks. They work together, start to build a place upstairs to sit. Now the bus is very big and everyone can fit. All the animals ride the bus to their school. But how are cow, raccoon, and monkey going to get down? Whale and chicken build a slide. They slide down one by one. Time for them to go to school and have lots of fun. Race rig and little car are driving today, but there is something in their way. Lots of mud on the ground, the Bloks toss it around. Looking around, but there's no other way to get around the mud today. Little car drives really fast and lands in the mud with a great big splash. Lots of mud on the ground, the car and the Bloks are splashing around. Race rig is sad, he's covered in mud. How can little car clean him up? Owl and monkey want to help too. Little car knows just what to do. They're building a car wash because they've been jumping in the mud and they need to get clean. Race rig drives through the car wash first. Now he's clean, the car wash works. Everyone is clean now, but the mud's still in the way. Oh no! Now they're Blok's doing today? Duck, duck, goose is the game they play. Penguin and chicken are skipping around when all of a sudden they hear a sound. ABC, musical train, rides all day in the sun and rain. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, there he goes. Where do trains stop, do you know? The animals stop to eat some fruit when they hear the train again toot toot. As ABC train travels near, what's that lovely sound they hear? ABC, musical train, rides all day in the sun and rain. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, there he goes. Where do trains stop, do you know? It is getting late, it's time for bed. The Bloks need to rest their heads. But then they hear that sound again. It's ABC, musical train. ABC, musical train, needs some help to stop today. The poor little train needs to slow down. He wants to stop, but he doesn't know how. To stop him from going round again, the animals work together to help the train. Where do all trains go to rest? A train station, that would be best. ABC, musical train, needed some help to stop today. A station was built, now we can sleep. Shh, don't make a peep. The jungle animals play their song, everybody sings along. The jungle animals play their tune on a sunny afternoon. Monkey wants to play along. Monkey joins in with the song. The animals and monkey play, but monkey is too far away. Monkey wants to get there soon to join in and play a tune. Monkey really wants to play, but monkey is too far away. Dog and panda come to see if they can help their friend monkey. Dog and panda know what to do. Ride the train that goes choo-choo. Riding the train, it's too small. All of the animals start to fall. They must find another way to get to the band today. Monkey knows what to do. Panda and dog help out too. They build more seats for the train. They get on board and it drives away. The jungle animals play their song, everybody sings along. The jungle animals play their tune, this time monkey's playing too. What's behind the big blue door? What could it be for? Let's follow chicken and cow. Let's go up and let's find out. Chicken and cow have made a plan to get up as quick as they can. What have they built this time? Something that will help them climb. It's an obstacle course. Chicken and cow are going to race. Who will win first place? Who will go fast or slow? On your marks, get set, and go. Climbing up towards the door on their new obstacle course. Cow and chicken start to climb one block at a time. The animals wobble and hop, making their way to the top. Almost there, ready, jump. They hit their heads with a bump. jump together as a team. 1, 2, 3. They made it, yay yippee. To the door, now they can see. What's behind the door? Let's see. A chicken smiling happily. The animals got there in the end and found themselves a brand new friend. Parrot's walking puppy on a sunny day. Parrot loves helping and puppy loves to play. Puppy eats the blocks and leaves them on the ground. Penguin bumps into one and police car comes around. Lots of blocks to clean up today until the job is done. All the blocks need cleaning up, but cleaning can be fun. Police car tells Parrot to clean up the blocks. Look at all the blocks around, they need cleaning up. Parrot picks up the blocks that puppy left behind. Parrot needs some help, Penguin will help this time. Lots of blocks to clean up today until the job is done. All the blocks need cleaning up, but cleaning can be fun. Lots of blocks to clean up today until the job is done. All the blocks need cleaning up, but cleaning can be fun. They use some blocks and build something super. They can clean the mess up now that they've built a scooper. The blocks have been cleaned up today and now the job is done. Parrot and Penguin have cleaned them up. Cleaning is so much fun. Purple cow loves to help cars on the road. Cow tells them when to stop and when to go. Here come Dump Truck and Raccoon. They've got things to build. Will you help us? Raccoon asks. Cow says, yes, I will. Raccoon takes a lot of blocks and puts them on the ground. Cow is going to help the cars to drive around. Purple cow loves to help cars on the road. Cow tells them to drive around and when they can go. Dump Truck and Raccoon put blocks on the ground. Purple cow is tired from helping cars around. Cow and Raccoon see some blocks, they know what to do. Build a wall so that cars can't go through. Purple cow loves to help cars on the road. They've built walls so cars stop, but now the cars can't go. Cow and Raccoon build a tower so the cars can see. Cow standing at the top, smiling happily. All the cars are happy now. Cow can help them all. The Big Blok Race. Which of the vehicles will win first place? The pickup, the rig, the racer, the truck. On your marks, get ready. Good luck. They are all excited to watch the race. Something's wrong, something's not in place. The rig is broken, Tiger yelps. Turtle asks, what can we do to help? Fix his wheels, suggests Brown Cow. Great idea, says Whale, but how? Wait a minute, Turtle squeals. What shape should we make